Nearly 2000 years ago, Seneca reflected on an idea that remains relevant today. Everyone receives the same number of hours a day, but each person chooses to use them differently. That is why the Roman philosopher considered time to be one of the most valuable resources in our lives. Throughout history, learning to use time well has been a fundamental skill. It is not just about doing more things, it is about dedicating energy to what allows us to learn, create, grow, or contribute. In reality, the way we use our time ends up influencing the life we build. Writer Oliver Burkeman reminds us that every life is shaped by choices. Every time we dedicate time to an activity, we are deciding, consciously or unconsciously, what place it will occupy in our future. A sculptor, for example, does not create a work in a single day. They build it through hundreds of small decisions sustained over time. There is a well-known idea in economics called opportunity cost. It reminds us that every decision involves a choice. When we move in one direction, other possibilities are left behind. Something similar happens with a photographer. Each image involves selecting a specific moment from among many other possibilities. In the late 19th century, William James observed that our experience depends largely on what we pay attention to. What we study, practice, and develop day after day ends up strengthening our abilities and expanding our opportunities. That is why a student can spend years mastering a discipline, and when that learning is maintained over time, achievements arrive that deserve to be celebrated. Runners know this logic well. No marathon is completed in the first few meters. Progress is usually the result of many steps taken in the same direction. Consistency, more than speed, usually makes the difference. Something similar happens with a watchmaker. Precision does not appear suddenly. It arises from numerous adjustments made with patience and dedication. The most solid results are usually built little by little. Sociologist Hartmut Rosa has studied how our societies continuously expand our possibilities for learning, collaboration, and development. In an environment full of options, the ability to maintain a clear direction becomes increasingly important. Knowing where we want to go helps us make better use of our time. Byung-Chul points out something similar when reflecting on the importance of acting with intention. Beyond the sheer number of activities we perform, it's essential to dedicate quality time to what's aligned with our goals and our values. Consistency is also a form of wisdom. Perhaps that's why the image of an orchestra conductor is so powerful. His role is to coordinate multiple elements without losing sight of a direction. Organizing your time works in a very similar way. It means choosing with judgment, moving forward with consistency, and dedicating your energy to what you consider truly valuable. Because time is the raw material with which we build our projects, our relationships, and our future. And every day offers us a new opportunity to decide what we want to build with it. That's why you should organize your time.